Hi there, this is Raksha from Calilio. In this video, I'll show you how to filter calls on the unified call box. A simple way to organize and view your conversations based on different categories. The unified call box brings all your conversations, calls, messages, and voicemails together in one place. With filtering, you can quickly find what you are looking for, whether it's missed calls, completed calls, or active conversations. Here's how you can do it. First, access the call box by clicking on one of your numbers. Now, click on this drop-down button in the rectangular bar that says All Conversation. Here, you will see the filtering options. Select the filter you prefer, for example, missed calls. Once you choose, your call box will automatically display conversations categorized under that filter. And that's how you filter calls on the unified call box in Calilio. Quick, organized, and efficient. If you need any help, you can contact our support team via the live chat box, who is available 24/7. Thanks for watching.